Can you solve this? Okay, let's solve it together using the order of operation. So the first thing we will be doing now is to solve the parentheses or bracket first in case you are used to PEMDAS or you are used to BODMAS. So we have to solve what we have in the bracket first so that we have 12 minus 3 that will give 9. Then we have 9 times 2 plus 5. The next thing is to multiply. 9 times 2 is 18. Then we have 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. And that is the correct answer. Do not make the mistake of solving it this way. 12 minus 3 times 2 plus 5. If you say 12 minus 3 is 9 and you now say 9 times 2 plus 5 is 7. This way, you will be getting a wrong answer because 9 times 7 will give 63 and you did not use the order of operation. By using the order of operation, you have to multiply before you add. So this method here is the right way to solve it.